Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this cute bear. I'm starting by drawing an oval shape for the head. I'm adding 2 circles on either side of the head for the ears with a smaller circle inside. And then I'm adding 2 big circles on the face for the eyes. In each eye I'm drawing 1 big circle and 1 little circle for the highlights. Oval shape between the eyes with a little nose, and I'm adding a smile. I'm then drawing a honey pot, so I'm drawing a really kind of flat oval shape to draw the pot, and I'm drawing a kind of rectangle underneath that. And then I'm adding 2 little arms, one to hold the pot and then one that's going to be holding a spoon. And then 2 oval shapes on either side of the pot for its feet. And in each of these I'm drawing a small oval shape. Added a little spoon, and I'm writing honey on the pot of honey and adding some grass. I've got a black fine liner and I'm outlining the eye, and then I'm going to use a black Sharpie to colour in the eye, leaving the 2 circles that we drew white. Pause this video now and go ahead and blackline all of the pencil lines that we drew, and then using a rubber, rub out all the pencil lines that are left from underneath. I've got myself a light brown pro marker and I'm colouring in the head and the body of the bear, but I'm leaving the kind of details white because we're going to be colouring them in pink. Here I am colouring in the kind of details in pink. I'm using a light orange to colour in the honey pot and the spoon, and I'm colouring the honey in yellow. Then using a green Sharpie I'm colouring in the grass and underneath, so he's kind of sitting on something. I've got a dark brown Sharpie and I'm shading on the left side of the face. So I'm shading on the left side of all the areas that we coloured brown. shading all the pink areas on the left side. shade the honey pot and the spoon. Finally, I've got a green Sharpie to shade the green grass. Then I've got a white pen and I'm adding highlights on the right side